Hi, my name is Prajul and I'm going to show you how to install an Ubuntu virtual machine on your Windows 8 PC. You can use the same procedure on Windows 7 as well as this time you have. First thing is to go and fetch a software called VirtualBox, which is an open source software provided by Oracle. Let's go and download it first. VirtualBox. Use the first one depending on what version of what process type you have. You can get 32-bit software or the 42 or the 64-bit. Here this will fetch you the 64-bit version as well as 32-bit. Okay. You can also download VirtualBox extension pack, which are a set of tools which enables you to let's say if you install Ubuntu, it won't come into full screen. It will have it won't fill the whole space on your system, so you will have to install this VirtualBox extensions, which will enable you to see and work on your virtual machine in full screen. So you can just go and download the software from here and then proceed. I already have it installed. You just need to follow the default procedures. That's it. Just go ahead with the installation. After you have installed VirtualBox, go and fetch the latest version of Ubuntu. It should be a long-term release, so which is 12.04 at this point of time. So depending on what PC you have, you can get 32-bit or 64-bit of Ubuntu. I think I already have Ubuntu downloaded for me, so I'll go and I already have downloaded Ubuntu ISO image from the official site from here and placed it at a certain location in my PC. Now I'll open VirtualBox and try to install software. Click on new, type the name of Ubuntu that you want to install. It could be anything. You can just type your username, anything. This is the name of the VirtualBox that will be installed. You'll notice that VirtualBox is intelligent enough to detect the type of OS that you're going to install based on the name that you have entered. So since you have entered Ubuntu here, it locates and automatically selects Ubuntu here. Just press next. It is advisable to allocate at least 512 MB of memory to the VirtualBox. I would prefer to allocate about, let's say, 1 GB should be enough because I have a 4 GB machine. So that's fine. Create a new hard disk, yes. Now you have 4 different options here. This is the default image that VirtualBox has, .vdi extension, but if you create a virtual machine using this extension, you won't be able to use it on a VM software. So better select the second option and press next. Choose dynamically allocated storage, which is it will increase the size if you have given just 8 GB to it. Later install different apps on it and the size of your operating system goes beyond 8 GB, it will expand automatically. This is 8 GB default. I'll let it be the same, and then just notice the location where your virtual machine file is going to be created. This size would be of its size would be 8 GB, and the name would be the name that you gave to the machine. Press create. Again, you notice that it has created a machine here. Before starting, you can directly start it, but it won't find any image to install, so you have to go to settings, storage. This is empty initially. You have to point it to the software that you have. So point it to the ISO image that you had already installed, downloaded from the official site. This is to open the for LTS. Log into it. Click on OK. Now start the machine. You can close the VirtualBox software, which is open on the behind. It won't affect anything. This is how this Ubuntu gets installed on a VMware. This will take some time. You can notice that you are given two options. You can try Ubuntu on a live image. Anything you save will be flushed on a reboot. So we are going to prefer the second option, install Ubuntu. I do not need anything here. This will format the partition that you have given. Just click install. This will take some time. Choose the location. Choose the keyword that you have. The name that will be displayed when you log in. Let's say it's person. Give a password. This will automatically install software. I'll show you different screens one by one. I'll take a snapshot of those and post it, or I'll just pause this video, and whenever those screens come, I'll resume the video.